Okay, today we are going to discuss about the domestic electric circuit. In our homes, we receive supply of electric power through a main supply, which is also called the mains, either supported through overhead electric poles or by underground cables. Somewhere we have underground cable which are coming from power station, and there are certain places, rather many places, where we have overhead cables. One of the wire in the supply, unusually with red, rather it is always kept. Usually it is kept red. Okay, the usually red insulation cover. So we have one wire which is having red insulation cover is called the live wire, or it is positive. Another wire which is a black insulation is a neutral wire or negative. In our country, we have potential difference between these two wires as 220 volt. Okay. Now at the meter board in the house, these wires pass into electric meter through the main fuse. So first of all, they will pass through the electric meter where the measurement of electric power utilized by our house can be done. Through the main switch, they are connected to the line wires in the house. These wires supply electricity to separate circuits within the house. Now see, we have often two separate circuits are there. One is the circuit which is having 5 ampere current which is flowing in it. The other circuit is having 15 ampere current which is flowing in it. So there are two different circuits. 5 ampere current rating, there are certain devices like bulb, fan, okay, they are working on 5 ampere circuit, while air conditioner and other gadgets are working on 15 ampere circuit. Now this is because there must be some safety measures, or rather to keep the circuits safe. Okay, this is done especially for those appliances that have metallic body. For example, there are certain objects like refrigerator, then electric iron, toaster, table fan. Their body is made up of metal. Okay, the metallic body is connected to the earth wire. Try to understand, there are three pins, or rather three different holes you must have seen in the plug. Okay, so metal body of the gadget is connected with the earth wire. Okay, it is connected with the earth wire whose resistance is very low and it is conducting wire. So it is a low resistance conducting path which is provided to this current, which is sometimes whenever there is a defect in the instrument comes on the body, then that current on the metal body is taken by this third wire, which is a earth wire. Okay, so it ensures that any leakage of current to the metallic body of the appliance keeps its potential to the earth, and the user will not get any severe shock. Okay, now this is the circuit diagram of one of the common domestic circuit. Okay, here you can see that this is the live wire and this is neutral wire. They are first entering in the electricity board fuse. Okay, then they are coming here in the electricity meter where the power consumed in our house is measured. Then these wires are reaching to the distribution box which has main switch, some fuse are there. Okay, then say this is the live wire. Okay, and this is the neutral wire, and they are connected with different plugs. Okay, different connections are done. Now you can see these connections are in parallel, and the third hole which I was trying to explain is joined with the neutral, rather it is with the earth wire, So earthing wire is taking any current which is leaked, okay, that is taken to the earth, and the people at home can be protected from those leakage. Okay, each appliance has separate on off switch through which it can be made on and off. Okay, then electric fuse is also very important in the domestic circuit. This fuse is containing a wire which is having low melting point. Whenever there is overloading, okay, what will happen, the high amount of current will start flowing from the electricity board connection. Okay, so that high amount of current, if it passes through the different appliances which are connected with the plug, then those appliances may get damaged and there are chances of fire also. So we have fuse in between. Okay, so whenever the electricity board is having some problem and sometimes there is overloading, then first of all the fuse is kept here only in the beginning, electricity board fuse. So what will happen, the high amount of current when reaches at this electricity board fuse, then that fuse will get melt and the connection is broken, and that high amount of current will not pass through different appliances. Okay, and those appliances can be protected. Okay, the use of an electric fuse prevents the electric circuit and the appliance from the possible damage by stopping the flow of unduly high electric current. The joule heating that takes place in the fuse and it melts. Okay, so the electric circuit is broken. Overloading can also occur due to an accidental hike in the supply voltage. Sometimes overloading is caused by connecting too many appliances to a single socket. So these are the different points where overloading can occur in our household circuit. Okay, so here we are completing the chapter. Try to watch all the videos 2-3 times and try to understand the topic. Okay, thank you very much.